everyone, how are you doing in this lockdown time? I really hope you are doing well. Welcome back to Deep Things. I'm Deep Shakha and I create videos about fashion, lifestyle and travel. And today's video is going to be about my recent makeup haul. Now I didn't go out for shopping in this lockdown situation, but just before that I went out for shopping and I handpicked every single stuff, and then lockdown happened and I couldn't shoot this video. But today I thought, why not just let you guys know that what all I shop and what all you can shop once this lockdown will be done. So individual reviews of every single product is either going to be on my upcoming YouTube videos or on my Instagram. Here you can see my Instagram handle. Do follow me over there. And now I think without any further ado, we should actually begin with today's video. Alright, so everything that I'm going to show you today is going to come out from this particular makeup bag. This my sister gifted me 4 years ago, my younger sister, and ever since then I'm keeping everything in here. This is like the most sorted situation for me. So I'm going to take out every single product in a sequence. First thing first is going to be the primer. So this time I got this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is a cream based primer. This primer generally comes in two different variants, gel based and cream based. I went for cream based because it is very lightweight formula. It glides onto your skin very smoothly. Plus it also cover up some imperfections and give the brightness to the skin. This primer retails for 700 rupees for 30 gram of product, and this goes a long way for you. After primer, the next thing for your base is going to be foundation. Now here I have three different type of foundations for three different kind of occasions. So first thing first, I got my hands on to Lakme Absolute Skin Natural Mousse. This comes in this cute sort of packaging. This is like a ball. I can play with it. So this comes into a mousse texture which is very much creamy matte. You can apply this on its own. You do not need to apply any primer before using this or any setting powder after you have used it. It comes in a matte formula. Although if you are a person with dry skin, I wouldn't recommend you using this because this in which way gives very matte finish. This is good for combination skin or oily skin people. So this is for those days when you just have 5-10 minutes. So apply this, do your basic makeup and you're good to go. Now this mousse comes for 800 rupees for 25 grams of product. Now the second foundation I got this time is a repurchase for me. So I've got this Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Just make sure that you use primer before using any liquid foundation. So this is again a matte liquid foundation. This retails for 299 rupees for 18 ml of product. So the next foundation is something that I wanted to own since a really long time, but I was never sure that do I really need a full coverage foundation for myself, because I'd not use foundation on daily basis, and foundation is for me is thing either I use on shoot or I am using whenever I am going out. For everyday purpose, generally in office, I did not use foundation and stuff, so I was skeptical buying it and then I bought it. So PAC's HD liquid foundation. This comes in a glass bottle like so. So PAC products are actually exact dupes of MAC in India, and they do not leave a huge hole in your pocket. So this foundation gives the best coverage and it can stay for longer hours, like 12 to 14 hours. I'm in the shade 2.5. This is 30 ml of product for 750 to 850 rupees range. Out of all three, if you are actually wanting to get your hands on to a foundation which works best in day or in night time, you can definitely go for this. So this is enough for foundation. So now comes to the next step, which is setting powder. I've always been a big fan of Maybelline Super Fresh White Compact, but I guess they have discontinued that particular product. Instead of that, they actually gave it in a new packaging. So this is Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. I'm in the shade 118 Beige. Again, it is for 199 rupees for 8 gram of product. The best thing about this compact powder, this is how it looks like. The best thing about this compact powder is that it comes with the mirror. Okay, so up next comes the blush. I'm not a sort of person, at least so far, who will use entire blush palettes and who can carry it everywhere. Instead of that, I would rather choose a thing which is very compact and I can easily put it in my bag. So I wanted single blush, and again I got it from Fit Me range. It's pocket friendly and the products works wonder. So again, this one I got. This is for 440 rupees for 4.5 gram of product. This does not come with a mirror, but this how it looks like, and this is actually very pigmented. If you are a beginner, try your hands on Fit Me blush and thank me later. Now, when I was actually searching for a good blush, my elder sister thought of helping me out and she gifted me one. So my elder sister gifted me this blush from Balm Cosmetics. So three best things about this blush is A, it's a gift from my sister, so which shows how much she loves me. I need gifts all the time. Secondly, it comes with a mirror, which comes really handy. It works both as an eyeshadow and a blush, and it has a magnetic closure which will make sure that your blush will not get ruined. Face and base makeup is done. Now coming to the eyes. So first thing first, for my eyes I have got two kajals. Again, a basic black one, which is iconic kajal. I always have it in my stash. I always get it into the set of two because I end up using them a lot. I also use kajal as a liner many times, and it comes very handy. So I have one in my makeup bag and one in my office bag, so I always keep a kajal. Indian girls and kajal go hand in hand. Another kajal I have got again is from Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Light Liner. This is a golden liner and I absolutely love it, especially for my waterline when I'm doing this eye makeup or in the corners of the eye. So it looks really good there. After kajal comes to the eyeliner. Now I didn't want any liquid liner this time because liquid liners are so messy. This time I've tried Nykaa's Get Ink liner, and again this comes in a pen form, similarly how Maybelline liners come. It gives you perfect cat liner if you really want to try that out. So that's that. After eyeliner, that's come the best part of this haul, a mascara. This time I wanted a mascara which everyone was hyping a lot, and after I got it, I get that why the hype is all about. This is the best mascara out there possible. This is the Maybelline's Push Up Drama Mascara. It has very thin wand, but it makes your eyes look wider. You do not need fake eyelashes after this. I guess it just make your eyelashes look so appealing. So this is worth buy. Again, this is in waterproof version. Talking about eyelashes, I also got myself eyelashes this time and haven't used it so far, and I'm not sure when I'm going to use it, but I've got my hands on to this. All over the internet, these are the best eyelashes reviewed. This comes for 199 rupees, which is worth again. The only drawback here is the glue. The glue of these eyelashes does not work well, as the other blogger have said. I have not used it so far, so I can't comment on that. But if that's the case, I can get another glue which helps me sticking the eyelashes. Up next is something which I already have with me in one color, and I want it in another color. Now comes to the lips, most important part of a makeup. Okay, so up next I've got a lip liner, because lip liners are always best to have the precision. I've got Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner. Ever since I have tried this lip liner, there's no going back. I already have this in Loverboy, which is extreme red, and this is the perfect red shade which I always wanted. I wanted something in pink, and that is why I got this one this time. This is in the color Sweetheart Pink. If you have seen my previous video of Nykaa haul, you must have realized that how much I adore Maybelline lipsticks. So I already had them in two different shades. One it's Divine Wine and one in Rich Ruby. Now I tried one more lip shade and I fall in love again. So I got Pretty Please. I have one more color, Chocoholic. Yeah, so one more color, Chocoholic is there. This is brown and this is berry. So one brown and one berry lipstick, you are good to go. And that's all in this particular haul. I'll mention every detail in the description box down below. Let me know if you have any query about any of these products. If you have tried something else and you want me to try again, put them in the comment section down below. I am sure that after seeing this particular haul, you must have realized now that two brands I absolutely love has to be Maybelline and Nykaa. I love Nykaa as a brand and as an e-commerce website for sure. So yeah, up until next time, like, share, subscribe and show your love, and stay safe in this lockdown and COVID-19 situation. I hope to see you soon. Bye.